Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to enable developer mode on iPhone. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone for iOS 16 and later go to Settings. Then tap on Developer Mode. For versions earlier than iOS 16, go to Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. Here, select Developer Mode. For iOS versions earlier than 16, select Privacy and Security immediately below the battery option. Then scroll down and tap Developer Mode. On the next screen, turn on the Developer Mode toggle at the top. If you are developing apps for Apple products, Developer Mode allows you to use features that are required for app development. When developer mode is turned on, your device security will be reduced. You will see a prompt at the bottom asking you to reboot your iPhone to enable the feature. Tap Restart to proceed. When developer mode is turned on, your device security will be reduced. Restart your device to turn on developer mode. Your iPhone will now reboot. Once it restarts completely, unlock your device using the passcode. When you unlock your iPhone, a prompt should appear on the screen asking you whether you wish to turn on developer mode on your device. Tap Turn On inside this prompt as seen in the image below. When you do that, iOS will enable developer mode on your iPhone, and you should be able to use the telemessage WhatsApp phone archiver inside the iOS 16 beta. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.